It's a pretty neat concept. This is a soft-sided live bait or live catch bag. So this is like your live well in the boat, but you can carry this with you. It's got really durable construction, as you can imagine. It's soft-sided, so when you're not using it, as you can see, it folds right up. It like tends to be that way. But once you put some fish and some water in here, it's going to fill right up. They make 3 sizes. This is actually the smallest size. It's 40 centimeters, the 6-gallon size they call it. But they make them all the way up to 10 gallons. What's cool is there's even a kind of a integrated place here where you can have an aerator. So if you have a small battery operated aerator, you can set that there and keep the fish happy. There's a hole here in the center where you can add the fish, and you can obviously keep track of them. These handles stow away when you don't need them in the boat, and when you need them, they come right out. You've got a shoulder strap and the handle. Very easy to carry. That's why I bought it. I hope this helps.